the most misunderstood dessert in history. Done right, it is a masterpiece.
We reclaim the tradition. No neon cherries, just time and quality.
We source top-tier Turkish apricots, figs, and cherries.
Precision dicing ensures perfect distribution in every slice.
We drown the fruit in aged dark rum to marry the flavors.
Weeks of patience. The fruit swells, bursting with boozy sweetness.
Only whole, buttery pecans make the cut.
Roasting releases the essential oils before they enter the batter.
We use premium high-fat butter for a moist, tender crumb.
Fresh eggs create a rich, stable emulsion. The mixer slows down to the lowest setting. The flour is added, it just barely mixes. Mixed on.
The macerated fruit is lifted out of the rum vat. Excess liquid drips off, but the fruit remains heavy.
We toss the wet fruit in flour to keep it from sinking.
Consistency is quality. Every pan gets the exact same weight.
A center divot helps the cake bake flat.
A tall rack holding 50 pans is loaded into a massive walk-in rotary oven, where heat circulates evenly.
Baked low and slow to prevent burning the sugars.
Steam keeps the crust soft during the long bake.
The skewer test confirms the center is set.
They must cool completely to set the structure.
While warm, they get their first drink of brandy.
Wrapped in spirit-soaked cloth, aging begins now. They rest in a temperature-controlled aging cellar.
Harsh alcohol notes mellow into complex aromatics.
Weekly feedings keep the cake moist and alive. After a month, the cake is dark, dense, and fragrant.
We prepare a classic apricot glaze for a professional shine.
The glaze seals in moisture and holds the garnish.
Whole nuts are hand-placed to create a festive crown.
A final mist makes the jewels glisten.
A clean cut, no crumbling, perfect fruit distribution. Rich, boozy, and bright with ginger.
Luxury product, luxury packaging.
Vacuum sealing locks in the aging process.
Hand-tied a gift meant to be opened with anticipation.
Forget the dry brick. This is closer to a truffle.
Shelf stable for months, improving with age.
Perfect with sharp cheddar or a glass of port.
Dispatched to gourmands around the world. The cycle ends with pristine sanitation. Premium fruit and nuts make this a true luxury item.
The true value lies in the baker's skill.
Full traceability for every batch.
An unboxing designed to evoke pure holiday nostalgia.
The kitchen runs 24/7 to meet holiday demand.
Trimmings are rolled into delicious rum balls.
Keeping a centuries-old tradition alive.
A labor of love, shared first by the makers.
Inspired by English pudding and German Stollen.
Pure ingredients, just the natural preservation of alcohol and sugar.
Rich and intense, best enjoyed in thin slices.
The work is done, and the tradition is secure.
The fruit cake, reimagined, refined.